In addition to creating all of the various characters and products and outfits and shows, etc., on the system, you'll also need to be pretty familiar with it. So you'll need to navigate it and know where to look for things. So I mentioned you have useful links on your dashboard, which are described in detail in your fashion consultant guidelines. And you also have just various different tabs here that you can click. So for movies, if you're inputting characters into movies, you'll be able to do that without question. But if you're doing that for costume designers or directors or producers, you'll need to go to each one of these pages and see costume designers here and create new ones. And once you do that, you can go back to your movie or your show page and input that information there. For products, it might get kind of confusing to look through every single category and color and pattern, and you might not be sure, but this is really convenient for you. Here on the admin system, we have a list of every single color and every single category. So keep in mind that there will also be a separate field for patterns. So right now we have all patterns under colors, but eventually it'll be separated colors and patterns. For now, you can see we have every single color and pattern listed here. Lace, color block, denim. Denim is for any kind of denim material, but you also need to input a color with that. And skin tone for makeup, clear for anything that's clear like a see-through bag. And then you can see all of the colors, and on the second page, the color black is there. It didn't fit on this first page. And then you can also go to product categories. Here, every single category is laid out for you. So we have all of our categories, female, male. You can also separate by gender here if you want. So you can see all the neutral, and then all male and all female. We have obviously 258 pages of product categories for neutral, male, and female. But this is really useful. You can also search the name. So if you don't know that we have a certain category in the system, you can type like, I want to see if cardigan is in the system. And it is indeed for both male and female. So that's really convenient. You can also see category groups, which you can see in the filter here, and props, which you don't really need to worry very much about. But if you want to create a prop, you can do that through props, similar to creating a product. And you can also just simply search the system. So if you want to look to see if a character's already been created, you can either do that in your outfit or you can come here. And you can also search by show. So if you want to see all the characters from New Girl, just simply filter by New Girl. And you can see every single character. If you're doing a guest character, you would use this image for a male and this image for a female, and it would just be male extra New Girl, female extra New Girl, and that would be the same for any show. So make sure you remember that. And then if you have any other questions about how to navigate the system or where to look or what keywords to use, feel free to ask your data manager or anyone in the Spotlight office.